Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So we're out here with the 2021 Polaris Sportsman 850. The previous phone mount, if you guys have seen my other videos, finally broke. So I no longer have that other one that's on the channel still. Matter of fact, I don't think they even sell that particular model anymore at the store. So anyhow, we're out here today. This is the, I'm going to probably butcher that, Brcovan motorcycle phone mount. Similar, very similar design, a little bit different. The way it mounts in, there's no rubber loops that go around the phone, so it'll be interesting to see. This should lock in place from the reviews I see. So this is just a quick box opening. I'm going to go ahead and throw it on the ATV, pretty much the same location that I had it. If you guys are wondering the information on it, that is probably your model number there. I did get this from Amazon. Came out to about $31, $32 after tax. Free shipping, being a Prime customer. Does not show that it's ATV friendly, but it does show motorcycles. So it'll be interesting to see if this is going to hold up. So for $31, I figure motorcycles are very heavy vibration. That's what happened with the other one. I got to an area, the other phone mount, I got to an area very rough, and the ball, that the pivot ball, is what ultimately failed on the other phone mount. So let's take a look here real quick. Real simple. I've not opened this up at all, so we'll see what all we got in here. There's your product manual there. Again, gives some information. You have your different rubber rings, different size to go on the different diameter of the handlebars. So that's we'll be utilizing which one, probably be this middle one, I imagine. That one's way too narrow, and then that one looks to be way too skinny, so we'll see. There is your ball mount there. That's what I was talking about. The other one failed. This is the one, or what failed on the other one. This is made out of all metal, I believe. So that's probably aluminum or extruded metal, but we'll see how that holds up. That is going to be, I believe, where your balls will mount in. You'll mount it onto the ball, rotates and all that. And there's your other one. So you get two of them in this one. That's what actually goes around the handlebar. That actually might be the one ready to go for mine. So we'll see. That's already got a rubber insert there. Phone mount itself. And I do not know. I did upgrade my phone to the Samsung S25 Ultra. So I'm interested to see if this will fit. That has got some weight to it. So let's go ahead and unveil it here. That is a hefty looking unit there. Look at that thing. So this turn knob here is what locks the up and down motion, I believe, to keep it locked in place. So I'm pretty sure if you were to unscrew that. Yep. So that's what, so that is currently in the open position. If I was to tighten that down, so, and that keeps it from opening up. There you go. So that's what locks this little foot system in place. So yeah, very heavy duty, very it's got rubber everywhere. This is your anti-vibration there to keep the vibration off the phone. You can adjust the height of your phone. I am going to have to probably go with the bigger 7.2 inch just due to the size of my phone. You can adjust the sides and everything. So very cool. So so it's just a quick unboxing. Again, this is not technically, I don't think, for ATV. There's nothing else in the box, just the foam that comes with, but we'll go ahead and throw it on. I have to make some adjustments and to fit my phone, my current phone, and we'll see how it looks. I'll show you guys a video of it mounted up. Hope you guys like, subscribe. We'll catch you in the next one.